Hi folks, this is Max and welcome to another workflows video. So yesterday I did a video on how to use the text card, and so today I want to do a video on how to use the number card. So let's open this flow. Now this one is pretty short, but I first want to show you how the card looks. So let's select function and then right here number. So you can see a lot of them are sort of self-explanatory what they do. But again, you can do pretty cool math calculations here as you build your flow. But I'm going to show you a few actions from this card. All right. So first one, there is a random integer. So this one will generate a number, in my case, from 0 to 100. Now, always you can test a particular card, and so we can do that. And click again, and so we get a random integer. So next one, this one is a pretty cool one. This is a formula. So this is really powerful because you can you write the formula. And then how do you know what you can use, what operations are available? So every card, and this is another great tip, every card has a help option. And then you will open this help, and then you can see what this card or what this action does. As you can see, there are a lot of different operations. You can even do, sine and cosine, which is again pretty cool, I think. So in my case, all I'm doing is I'm taking the random number and I'm doing to the power of 2, and then I'm taking the output and mapping it to add and adding, so this number plus this number, and then lastly I am just multiplying as by 2. Again, pretty straightforward, but just still gives you kind of an idea how these various actions work. So let's run this. All right, so we got random numbers 87. Then we run the formula. So 87 to the power of 2 is this number. Then this number plus 87. And then we also multiply this by 2, and this is what we get. All right. So this is the number card. Again, you have a lot more actions that you can see here. So again, if you need any math based calculations, you can do them in workflows. So this was a short video, but I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.